bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Hi guys, happy Thursday. Welcome back to our channel, UK-PINAY.
She's not happy.
Mr. C and Mrs. C here. That's the shortcut for our second name, so it's better that way. How's everyone's?
I'm trying to find a shortcut home. I've escaped.
Oh God.
Oh gosh.
We're sitting home to Derby, you know. At the moment is we in
Thirsk.
What?
Thirsk.
Thirsk. I don't know.
Thirsk.
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 So we're heading home. It's a nice weather.
It's going to get nicer when we get nearer home.
And Steve forgot to turn the jacuzzi anyway, so
I can do it remotely from my phone.
this is the traffic at the moment. So how's your day today, Mr. C?
Well, apart from the fact that on the work site today, one of the Chinese decided he wanted to leave an electrical panel open, 415 volts power in it, leave it wide open and then bugger off for his dinner, just leave the doors wide open on it. Yeah, things have been fine. Well, I don't know how they do things back in China, but you do that on my site, you're sacked. So I've had quite an interesting morning with the health and safety officials this morning, and this company, this Chinese company, just wondering why on God's green planet one of their Bruce Lee stunt doubles would decide he'd want to do such a stupid thing and endanger the lives of others. Well, yeah, that's my day, babe.
Oh, stress. Yeah. And I'm not happy too as well because of
Really,
complaining. It's hard to get married.
It is bloody hard to get married. Yeah, but why is it hard to get married, sweetheart?
Oh, changing everything, your banks, your passport, your driving license. And
Changing the name, isn't it?
changing the name. It's easier to close the account than to change the name. You know?
It's easy to get a brand new bank account and
Yeah.
change your name.
Yes. How many times I went to the bank? Twice. I went to a small bank in Washington Galleries. But in Washington DC. Washington.
They have these little branches in the galleries there, the shopping mall. And it's a little branch. It's basically a small room with two ladies are in there that are not good enough to work in the main branch, so they dump them in there and computer says no. It's one of them, isn't it?
I make appointment as well. Looking forward to go there.
Yeah,
to
'cause you can't just walk in. You've got to make an appointment.
You know.
And then when you make an appointment,
Computer say no. Then I called the banks, and then the other day in Newcastle. Yeah.
You went there.
I went there, and this I asked for what documents they need, just a marriage certificate anyway. So
Yeah.
bring my marriage certificate. Then I went there. They said computer
say
said
no. Computer said no, 'cause it's not an original.
Okay, but the problem is you have to send the original to the passport office, because I know passport office is strict. I go this because there's immigration. You know, I thought
Yeah, but even with that, like Ascension paid at the post office for them to check all the documents and send them to the passport office.
yes.
So they got a copy of the marriage certificate and obviously her passport, and so she's paid the extra money to get the documents returned, and they've checked everything at the post office.
I paid the checking fee as well, extra for it.
Yeah. And then we've just had an email from the passport office going, we can't process your application because we need a proper,
Copy.
well, the official
Coffee,
document.
yeah.
So why didn't the post office pick up on that when we paid them to check it? Absolute bellends. Seriously.
That's the complaint today.
Yeah. And then you can't go and change your bank account name because they want
The
the
original.
original. Well, how can they have the original? Because the passport office is going to have it. You're going to have to get about 3 originals and hope that they send them all back. It's absolute bullshit, guys.
Then you pay extra £60 for each original, you know.
Yeah, and you've got to wait maybe a month to
get it.
So we hope now when we send the original marriage certificate off to the passport office this week that we're going to get it back. Because we need that then
To the bank.
back to the bank, which we've been trying to do for the last 2 weeks, to change the name on the account. Monzo, I just did it online, didn't
Yeah, I did online and the card next
Minutes,
day.
minutes, yeah.
And a new card and 2 days working days.
Yeah. Well, you come to, let's name them, shame them, Barclays. Barclays Bank. They're shit.
I've been in the Barclays Bank for many years. I think more than 18 years. I have Lloyd's before. I changed it because they are shit as well. So I went to Barclays.
Yeah, I used to be with Lloyd's, the worst shit.
So
I'm with NatWest. Yay!
I went to Lloyd's.
Shit.
That's my first bank when I came to the UK. But this shit. That's why I changed to Barclays. Since then, I've been in Barclays. You know, I thought only you need your PIN numbers and to identify you that's your account.
Yeah, that's all you do need if you give them thousands of pounds over the counter. Can you just put your PIN number in your card? Yeah, they go, oh, we'll take your thousands of pounds. You want to change your name? Oh, no.
No, computer, no.
Computer says no. We need the original. You're only going to photocopy the bloody thing anyway. Here's a photocopy. Check the registration number on the certificate against the database and it'll say the same thing as I'm telling you now. Man, it is hard to get married, guys.
That's the hard bit.
It's not hard to get married. You just into the Reggie office, say I do, pay you 250 quid, that's it, you're spliced. It's all the shit that comes after it. We need to get the passport sorted because we want to book flights to the Philippines. We're going in December. And then...
Passport, you don't need your passport to book a flight.
No, but we still want it.
Yeah.
Check it. We've got to make sure it's all done.
Yeah.
You know, your driving licence, your logbook for your car, that's all got to be changed into your new name. I'm glad men don't have this problem, guys. We just keep the same name.
What you advise for the woman not getting married or what?
I don't know. Should have changed my name to Bag of Maspa. I could have changed all my documents.
Now, is it if the woman is you know, is it you got the right to not taking your name or to, when you're married?
You don't have to have the name.
Yeah. Okay.
Need a phone.
That's the complaint, guys.
Yeah, it's a big complaint today. So basically, in a nutshell, post office is shit because you pay money for them to check and they don't do a
Yeah,
good
extra
job.
money I pay for them for checking, innit?
The banks are shit. And we'll see about the driving licence and the logbook because that should be there when we get back, hopefully. Have you applied for the logbook? You did, didn't you?
Yeah, we did. I posted them, haven't I?
Right, so the DVLA were also a form of identification with the driving licence. I wonder if they're going to ask for the original as well. Might be a letter when we get home. Oh, you need to send us the original. Well, you better get the bloody queue then, because the passport office is having it, and then the bank's having it.
Because if you want to extra original for your marriage certificate, you're £60, babe. You know that.
Yeah.
So, oh God.
They better not lose it.
They don't anyway. Already they told I pay extra.
Yeah, that don't matter. That's at the post office, so they screwed it up.
Yeah.
Because they didn't check it properly, or they'd have known they don't accept copies of marriage certificates. So why did they send a copy? Dickhead.
I pay £16, I think, for
Yeah, I'd
checking.
get in that post office and say, yeah, check this email out, you ain't done your job right, give me some money back. She'll go, computer says no.
Computer says no. I stood there in the post office in the queue, the long queue as well, you know, for half an hour because the benefit day that time is Monday, you know.
Ah, the coffin dodgers are all getting the old blue rinse brigade. They're all in there getting the pensions for the week.
The pension, babe. So the
They're getting drunk on shandy.
oh, it's
cheap
very,
shandy and
it's very
Witherspoons,
long
yeah.
queue as well, you know. Long queue. I feel sorry for those old people stood there to queue the post
So
office.
do I.
So
Old pensioners.
then I went to. Then they helped me as. I take a long time as well because the lady sort checking my passport, taking my picture, so it takes some time. So
Yeah, she messed it up. Well, she submitted a photocopy
Yeah.
marriage certificate when they don't accept them. So she's not very good at her job, is she? Come on. And you had to pay for that pleasure.
yeah, pay for the checking extra, I mean, checking the passport, and you know.
So both of us having a shit day.
Yeah, so anyway, it's been done. Anyway, hopefully it's gonna give back my passport like so this possible. Yo, I don't know. The banks twice.
Yeah.
But I ringed them first before I went that second time.
This is
Well,
after you got screwed up by the little box bank.
yeah, I ringed them in the flat before I went to Newcastle.
Yeah.
Because so that I'm not going there without nothing.
What do I need to bring? Did
Yeah.
she say a copy's alright for the marriage?
Yeah, I asked him.
And then when you got there, she took it into the back room and the manager said no. So that says everything about Barclays, doesn't it? It's only one thing on the
because
phone.
he said, I
You
don't want
travel
to go
all the
there
way
in Newcastle by bus. No, not, and you know,
Just to find out that
find out in
it's different to what they told you on the phone.
yeah. And I ring them in the phone, and you know, and they put a complaint as well for me because that I complain about the galleries because
Yeah.
what they done and
Yeah.
because. It's because they will see look at only what's in the marriage certificate, how was the been changed anyway, so why they never do it, so I'll make a complaint anyway.
Yeah, I should do as well. It'll get filed under B1N. Nobody get the bollocking for it. Just chuck it in the bin, won't they?
Oh goodness, I really need all that passport, you know, because you know, passport and driving license, because that's the sort of ID anyway, so my goodness. Anyway, that's the complaint, guys. And nice weather. Probably tomorrow barbecue again, so there we are, heading home to sunny Ripley
Yeah.
with the Musso
The
guys.
posh musso this week. Look, it's just nice.
Nice, and cooling seat. My ass is this, you know, it's like a ice in my.
You got ass like an ice cube, and we got cool seats.
We have cool seat there, look, cooling seat.
Yeah.
So,
Bad for a Korean truck.
yeah, that's why.
Pretty quick.
And they had a big dashboard there for your maps, Google Maps, and navigation. You know, it's good anyway. So
It is good, babe.
here we go, guys. See you in a bit. Hey guys, that's only for today about complaining about how hard to change your names when you get married. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your subscribe, guys, to Facebook, YouTube, and follow us in Facebook as well, guys.
We've got a lot of Facebook followers.
Yeah.
We don't have a lot of people on YouTube.
So anyone who's watching us not even subscribe, please, it's all free.
Yeah, because 80% of you watch us and then bugger off,
It's free, guys.
including her family. Come on.
Family is subscribing, but some older family, some family cousins and we do not have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, but it's free to sign up to YouTube.
Yeah, so
That's another complaint. It's free. Come on. It's not like it's costing you money.
I
is
know it's boring our channel, but only I always say, if you don't like our channel, just skip
it? Yeah.
it, guys.
And I put a lot of time into making a boring channel as well. It takes a lot to get a channel as boring as this, boys.
Okay guys, salamat po sa mga new followers. Thank you very much. New subscribers, salamat po.
We'll catch you this week.
I catch you tomorrow or weekend. Thank you guys. Paalam.
Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.